Hey up everyone, welcome to the Costa del Sol. Now in today's video I'm going to be walking around Benalmadena Marina. This place is absolutely beautiful, so if you want to come around here with me, come on, let's go. So this marina is actually full of really expensive boats, as you can see. You see all the bars. A little coffee shop here. Ice cream. So today is New Year's Eve and we're going to be spending the new year here in Benalmadena. And what a beautiful marina it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And joining me on today's video, I've just found this rabble.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
Yep, part of the family's here. So Karen, what do you think to this marina here?
Oh, I love it, yeah. It's
Beautiful, isn't it? Mother, what do you think?
What's that?
Marina.
Oh, it is lovely.
Although we did have a drink here last night.
All two, all three. Yeah.
Yeah, a few. €6 for a pint round marina. That's a bit steep, innit?
Worth it?
We've got some clothes shops. Some more clothes shops. We've got a blue bridge over the river, sea, marina. What do they call it? Still got the Christmas decorations up. And if you want a jet ski, there's plenty here. There's plenty of shops. An authentic rice boat. Wonder if that's a restaurant. I think it may be. So here we've got the Cantina Mexicana. Let's see what these charge here on the marina. Burrito €17.50. Fajitas €20. That's a little steep, isn't it? And this is where we had our €6 drink last night. A nice bar, but God, expensive. As you can see in front of us, we've got plenty of bars, plenty of restaurants. Right, let's see what these charge for pizzas. €14, €15. Pasta's €14. That's not bad. Right, how long before we stop for a coffee? Of course, my dad's flagging already. So I've just noticed this little square down here. Let's we'll see what's in it. Latino. And a secret garden. How nice is that? Shenanigans bar and an ice bar. It's quite cute in there, isn't it? Right, back out onto the front. So this Italian here. Pasta's €13–14. And every Tuesday, any pizza €8.90. Now there is a story behind this this Italian here, because last time we come to Benalmadena was 10 years ago. Is that right, Karen?
10 years, yeah.
10 years ago, Karen, and What happened 10 years ago after we've been in that Italian?
I think I got drunk.
Yeah, she got drunk and she ended up sat on floor next to Marina. I'll stick a photo in here and show you. And there you've got the big wheel that they've put up for Christmas. This looks nice. It looks like it's shut for the winter. O'Neill's Cafe and Sports Bar. And there it is, closed for winter holidays. It's another nice bar. Look, it's seated in there. How comfy does that look? With a closed shop and another bar. Then we've got a nice screen parlour and the obligatory alley hop. Here we've got Bobby's that looks like it's shut for the winter. Bobby's forever. And that does Mexican by the looks of it. Yeah, like I said, it's New Year's Eve at the minute when I'm filming this, so there is a lot of places closed for the winter. We're now on the promenade.
La Caruella.
And as Cameron's just told me, this is called La Caruella. And it looks like we seem to have stopped. We don't stop when we're filming, we keep going.
Bye.
And on the corner we have a Burger King. Oh no. And then here is the beach. Here at the marina end of Benalmadena. Yeah, looks like they've actually scraped the beach. So I can't really tell you what it's like because it's not in its real form. So they've compacted it all. Right, I think we're going for a coffee. Told you it won't be long. And they're here, look. Have you ordered me one?
Well, just a bit extra sugar and milk for you, yeah?
No, that's not going to happen, is it? A what? A beer?
Yeah.
Time is it?
Half 10. 10:54.
10:54, that's alright, isn't it? It's 12 o'clock somewhere in the world.
Smaller cups down there these days.
So I did get a coffee after all. Nice Americano.
Cheers.
Cheers everyone.
In that corner cafe, they were proper glass cups.
Ooh, proper coffee. Yours nice. Nice. Yours nice. Oh no, look what she's doing. You fetch your own sweet eggs.
Yeah,
Their own blackcurrant juice.
So we're in Cafe Fusion.
It really is nice.
This is their menu if you ever want to come in here. €3 for a coffee.
I'd like to, if we get any nice weather when we've been out in car, the rooftop just before it gets dark. The view is great.
Also do the mojitos, the cocktails,
You know, we're drafting the building
and the liquors.
pub across the top.
And they also do snacks or breakfasts, crepes, sandwiches and baguettes. Karen, they do crepes.
I've seen them when
Do you want a crepe?
No.
Yeah, but you love crepes.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, I've just had my breakfast. Do you have omelette? No, I had.
She loves crepes.
Bread, yeah. I ain't got the same. I can't eat the same amount.
And they do all the official merchandise here.
Big bonfire tonight.
See all the hotels here on the front, all overlooking the beach. As you can see all the way down this promenade, it's got all these chiringuitos. And to me and you, that's restaurants by the sea. So here's the Rio Nautilus, which they are currently converted into a palace. So a lot of work going off there. And that's where we stayed when Karen got drunk. So here outside the Rio is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for coming with me around Benalmadena and the marina today. Did you like it? Have you been before? Let me know in them comments. Please do like and subscribe down below if you haven't already for lots more content, and I'll see you again in the next one. So from the Costa del Sol, goodbye.